In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a zip file without Winzip software installed. So let's get started. Zip is a common file format that is used to compress one or more files together into a single location. This reduces file size and makes it easier to transport or store. First, go to the location where your files are located and you wish to zip those files. So here are my files. The total size of these files is around 4.36 MB. Now to zip these files, first select all the files. Now right click and go to send option. Here you will see compressed zip folder option. Just click on this compressed zip folder option and your zip file will be created at the same location. You can rename the file if needed. Now if we check the file size, it is now 3.75 MB. So that is how you can make zip file without Winzip installed. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.